Good PM. Ngayon po ay Saturday, September 20, 2025 for 2 PM and 2 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Saturday, September 20, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong September 20, 2025 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto, 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, September 20, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Grand Lotto 655 for September 20, 2025, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, September 20, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.